is our Siva sir. Today topic is human eye and colorful word grade 10 physics second lesson. So light reflection and diffraction already that one now. So still it is going on. Few questions are there. So we'll discuss. So today we'll discuss about light reflection diffraction topic. Okay, few points are there, and in the previous live classes we discussed about defects until defects. So now light ray passes through the prism. If the light ray passes through the prism, splitting of a light takes place, splitting of light into 7 colors. So that is called dispersion. If the light ray passes through the prism, what happens? Split into 7 colors. It's split into 7 colors. The splitting of white light into 7 colors is known as dispersion. Those 7 colors will form like a band on the screen, that is called a spectrum. Okay, so the order is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So from bottom, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So from bottom to top, violet to red. Okay, so I based on the refractive index, based on the wavelength, different light rays have different wavelength and different refractive index when it passes through 1 minute another medium. So according to the wavelength, according to refractive index, it changes. Okay, after splitting of light into after splitting into 7 colors, so it will changes, it bends. So according to that, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, so it is formed. And coming to the recombination of spectrum of white light, recombination of spectrum of white light means, so one prism will be placed normally, so another prism will be placed in inverted position. If the light ray passes through the one prism, it will be splitting into 7 colors again. So 7 colors will form on another prism that split, again it will be converged, and okay, so that will be converged and moves to the out out of the prism as a white light. So that is about recombination of spectrum of white light. And coming to the raindrop, raindrop means when light ray passes through the raindrop, it's split into 7 colors. Okay, so internally, so it's like a raindrop, right? So raindrop act as a tiny water raindrop act as a tiny prism, a small prism. So what prism will do when light passes? It split into 7 colors. Here also the same phenomenon will take place when light passes through the prism, split into 7 colors. So refraction, dispersion, and internally reflection takes place. Once again, so what will be there? Hey, hi. So I didn't see the complete name. So grammar it mentioned. So hi. Okay, done. So now we can see. Hi. So now we'll go to the. I already said rainbow formation. So what is the phenomena involved in the formation of rainbow is refraction, dispersion, and internal reflection. Because actually, complete light it won't reflect inside of the water droplet because it's a transparent object. So water droplet is a transparent object, right? So what happens, some of the light may absorb by the droplet, or some of the light may pass through the droplet. So only some of the light only will be okay. Yes, of course, yes. Yes, some of the light, as I said, some of the light only it will be absorbed, some of the light will be passed through it. So internal reflection takes place. So what is the phenomena involved in the formation of rainbow is, so share this one, share this. Hi. So everyone, so students, share this link to your friends and well wishers. So let them join to the class. Okay, so they will, everyone will get to know, right? live classes going on. If you like this content, do like, share, and subscribe my channel, Student the Brand. So please do subscribe. So you'll get more videos. You can see, there are plenty of videos available related to physics. So you'll get short and sweet. So you'll get immediately, so the content, immediately the content you will be able to get that one. And the next one, atmospheric refraction. So what is the atmospheric refraction? Normally, so a person is here, another person is here, so between that one fire is there. Okay, so when you view through that, so what happens, the person can able to identify the another person in a flickering way, blinking way. So what exactly happens, hot air act as a rarer medium, cold air act as a denser medium. So when light ray passes from hot air to cold air, it will bend. Okay, so it bends again, it reaching to cold air to hot air, again it will bend. So it's keep on bending. The person who is there, so here fire is there, so one person is there, another person is there, between fire is there. Okay, so what happens if this person A, person A sees person B, then so it appears flickering, blinking, because here hot air is there. So when you view throwing it, so through light rays passing through hot air to cold air to hot air, like this is happening. Then what happens, because of that reason, the person is appear to be blinking and flickering. Okay, so that is about refraction. So atmospheric refraction in small scale. So whereas twinkling of stars, if you observe twinkling of stars, so stars are at a long distance. Okay, so here stars at this point if you take, so here atmosphere is there, complete atmosphere is there. Okay. Yes. So if the light ray is coming from far distance, what happens? It's keep on changing the light ray. So the light ray direction is changing. So because of that reason, by reaching to us, automatically it so many times refraction takes place, flickering and blinking. That's why we can able to observe twinkling of stars. So students, if you want, okay, so classes for physics grade 10 and grade 11, so it will be available. So you can check my number is there available in the YouTube, so just you can go through it. Okay, so related to physics grade 10, so and handwritten notes also available. So this is the handwritten notes I already said. So this is my handwritten notes, you can check happily. So PDF also available, so I'll be providing the PDF also, so you can check the details. So you can check through WhatsApp number. If you want more support related to physics regarding grade 10 and grade 11, grade 12, so at the same time state, CBSE, okay, even ICSE grade 10 also. And coming to the JE NEET physics also, so it will be available, so you can take the coaching. And coming to the scattering of light is nothing but normally you see, so particle is there, so light is coming like this, so particle, this is particle here, so light is coming and falling like this. Okay, so the particle size will be comparable to the wavelength of the light. So the distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive trough is called wavelength. So if the particle size is comparable to the wavelength of the light, then the particle will absorb the light. The particle will absorb the light, scatter the light in all directions with a different intensity. Okay, in different directions with a different intensity. Then what happens? So that time what happens, automatically, uh, when it is moving in different direction with a different intensity, so the light will spread, the light will scatter. So that is known as scattering of light. So here the condition is the particle must be comparable to the wavelength of the light, then only it will absorb and scatter. Best example, so deep sea also it is a blue color, so because of scattering of light only. And one more thing, scattering of light example, any other example for scattering of light? Do you observe anything? So please comment and let me know. So I'll check once. And the effects of scattering, blue color of the sky, sky appears white sometimes, and appearing of red color of the sky during evening and morning also. Ah, yes. Soham. Yeah, correct. So sun appears red color during morning time and evening time also. And yes, so this is about scattering of light. And next one, Tyndall effect. So what is the Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect is nothing but, so here the path of the light becomes visible when it is passing through colloidal solution. Because of the colloidal solution, when light ray passes through the colloidal solution, so dear students, please share this link to your friends, share in WhatsApp, share it through YouTube also. So share your friends, share this link to everyone. So as many as possible, as much as possible. Just here for visit for college starts, Miss 12th and Miss 10th. Yeah, of course. So that's enough. That is about okay, scattering of light examples. Now we will see here. Now state the nature of the image formed on the retina of the human eye. So what type of image will form on the retina? Now we'll discuss few questions. Few questions related human eye. Important questions we'll discuss. So state the nature of the image formed on the retina of the human eye. So what type of image will form? So on the retina, image is real and inverted. Real and inverted image will form. Define near point as well as far point. So near point is nothing but the minimum distance up to which the person can able to see real inverted image, because convex lens is present in the eye. Very nice, very nice. So I'm excellent, extraordinary. So please share this link to everyone. So please share friends and who are there. Okay. So thank you, thank you. Brain inverse. Okay, done. So far point is nothing but, so far point, the minimum distance up to which the person can able to see the object, that is called near point is minimum distance, far point is maximum distance. Near point is 25 centimeter, far point is infinity, up to infinity he can able to see. Okay, so normal person. And next one, name the defect of vision in the person whose near point is more than 25 centimeter. So more than 25 centimeter means, so person can able to see far distance, he can't see near distance, hypermetropia. And coming to the whose far point is less than infinity, myopia, definitely a myopia. And state the role of following in human eye. State the role of following in human eye. Retina. So what is use of retina? So on retina, so image will form, right? Light ray will intersect and image will form. Cornea. What is the use of cornea? Anyone? Cornea. What is use of cornea? Cornea is nothing but, it is a front layer, a protective layer. Most of the refraction takes place. And coming to the lens, what type of lens we are using? Convex lens. As Soham said, so convex lens. Convex lens is nothing but converging lens. And optic nerve. Optic nerve means all the nerves are there. So whatever the image will form at retina, that will be converted and sent to the brain through optic nerve. That's enough. So that is about today class. So next live class we'll discuss few more points related to. Shall we start? Hey, how many are there? Say hi to me. So many are there? Just let me know. How many are there? Say hello. No one. Anybody is here? Just let me know any doubts. Any topic discussion is required. Okay, done. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next class. Until that time, bye bye. Signing off. Thank you.